In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter receipts in Xero. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Purchases up top, and then from here, you want to click on Expenses. Now, when you click on Expenses, you want to go and click on New Expense top right, and you want to select this expense claim over here. Now, whenever you do this to enter your receipts, you'll see over here on the left, you can upload an image or just drag and drop it over here. So I'm going to click on Upload over here, and then I'm going to just find my receipt, which is this sample receipt over here, and I'm going to click on Open. Now, as you can see, this is AI generated, but essentially it is what it is. So this is the receipt, and then you can just go ahead and basically put in all the amounts over here. So for example, I'm going to do 17.39 like that. And then description over here, I'm going to type in breakfast like this. There we go. And then of course you can select how you paid, of course where you spend this. For example, in this case it would be the Daily Grind Cafe, then of course the date you spent, the account you paid from, etc. Okay, so that's essentially all you have to do, and then you want to click on the save draft or save up top, and that's essentially how you do this. Okay, so let me actually fill this quickly over here. Daily Grind, I'm going to type it in like this. I'm going to connect it. There we go. Account is going to be, we're just going to put this at, let me actually find travel. There we go. Then the region is going to be east side, and then that's basically it. You can then click on approve or save draft or submit up top, and that's essentially going to do it. Okay, so that's how to enter receipts in Xero. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.